Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in the online classes of mathematics. And next question of exercise 7.1, question number 6. Let y equal to sine x degree. Y equal to sine x degree. Okay. Differentiating with respect to x. Because 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Okay, 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 degree radian, implies x degree is equal to pi x upon 180 degree radian. Okay, because 180 degree is equal to pi radian, 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 degree, and x degree is equal to pi x upon 180 radian. Okay, so y equal to sine pi x upon 180. Putting the value of x degree in the function y is equal to sine x degree. Differentiating with respect to x, we get differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to sine pi x upon 180. It means dy dx over sine pi x upon 180. First derivative sine pi x upon 180 into second derivative dy by dx over pi x upon 180. Okay, the function f will be differential twice. First derivative sine pi x upon 180 and second derivative pi x upon 180, implies dy upon dx is equal to sine pi x upon 180. Let x, it means sine x, derivative of sine x is equal to cos x. Cos x, x is equal to pi x upon 180 degree into pi upon 180 constant into derivative of x is equal to 1. Okay, again sine over pi x upon 180, let x is equal to pi x upon 180. It means sine x, derivative of sine x is equal to cos x. Okay, cos x, x is equal to pi x upon 180 into pi x upon 180 constant term 1 pi upon 180 into dy by dx over x is equal to 1, implies dy by dx is equal to pi upon 180 into cos pi x upon 180 degree. Okay, because x degree is equal to pi x upon 180 radian, it means pi x upon 180 is equal to x degree. So dy upon dx is equal to pi upon 180 into cos x degree. Okay, that is the answer. Next question. Question number 7. Let y equal to log root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Okay. Y equal to log 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus a cos x implies y is equal to log 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x power 1 by 2. Okay, root or 1 by 2, anyone. Taking logarithm of both sides. Taking logarithm on both sides, we get log y is equal to apply the formula of logarithm, because log m to power n is equal to n log m. Okay, apply the formula logarithm implies y is equal to 1 by 2 into log 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay, again apply the formula of logarithm. Log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. Okay, again apply the formula of log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n implies y is equal to 1 by 2 into log 1 minus cos x minus log 1 plus cos x. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy upon dx is equal to 1 by 2 constant, okay, into log 1 minus cos x. The function will be differentiated twice. The function will be differential twice. It means derivative of first log and derivative of second log 1 minus cos x. It means dy dx over log 1 minus cos x into dy dx over 1 minus cos x minus dy dx of log 1 plus cos x into dy dx over 1 plus cos x implies dy upon dx is equal to 1 by 2 into dy dx of log 1 minus cos x, let x, it means log x dy dx over log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, it means 1 upon 1 minus cos x into dy dx of 1 minus cos x, derivative of 1 is equal to 0 minus derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. It means minus minus plus sin x. Okay, minus dy by dx of log x is equal to 1 upon x. 1 upon x is equal to 1 plus cos x into derivative of 1 is equal to 0. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, is equal to 1 by 2. 0 plus sin x, it means sin x upon 1 minus cos x. 0 minus sin x, minus minus plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x. dy by dx. Okay, LCM 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x implies dy upon dx is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x LCM. 1 minus cos x divided 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. It means 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x cancel out. 1 plus cos x multiply sin x in sin x into 1 plus cos x plus sin x into 1 minus cos x. Okay, implies dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into sin into 1 sin x plus sin x into cos x plus sin x minus sin x into cos x upon 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. It means a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. 1 minus cos square x. Okay, sin x cos x cancel out. 1 by 2 sin x 2 sin x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. 1 minus cos square x is equal to sin square x. 2 cancel out. Sin x cancel out is equal to 1 upon sin x implies dy by dx is equal to cosec x. That is the answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 10. Let y is equal to log x plus x square plus a square root by a. Okay. Apply the formula of logarithm because log m by n is equal to log m minus log n. Okay, log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n implies y is equal to log m x plus root x square plus a square minus log. Okay, now differentiating with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to log x plus root x square plus a square root. Two types differentiating, two types, first log and second x plus x square plus a square. Okay, it means dy by dx of first derivative of log x plus root x square plus a square into second derivative dy by dx of x plus x square plus a square root minus dy by dx of log a. Okay. dy dx of log x, let x is equal to x plus x square plus a square of root log x है, dy dx of log x is equal to 1 upon x. It means dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x plus x square plus a square root into dy dx of x plus x square plus a square root. It means dy dx of x plus x square plus a square root. Okay. dy dx operate of x, dy dx of x plus dy dx of root 1 plus root x square plus a square, two types, dy dx of x square plus a square power 1 by 2 into dy dx of x square plus a square. Okay. dy dx of x is equal to 1 plus x power 1 by 2. It means root x. dy dx of root x, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. X is equal to x square plus a square into derivative of x square is equal to 2x plus derivative of a square is equal to 0. Okay. It means 1 plus 2x plus 0, 2x into 1, 2x by 2 root x square plus a square, 2 cancel out, 1 LCM x square plus a square of root. Okay. X plus x square plus a square. So dy dx of x plus x square plus a square of root is equal to x plus x square plus a square root by root x square plus a square. Okay. Into x plus x square plus a square root by root x square plus a square minus dy dx of log a. Log a constant. Okay. Derivative of constant number is equal to 0. It means minus 0. Okay. Implies dy by dx is equal to 1 into x plus root x square plus a square by x plus root x square plus a square into 1 upon root x square upon a square minus 0 neglect. Okay. Same संख्या cancel out, implies dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x square plus a square root. That is the answer. Okay. Next question. Question number 12. Let y is equal to 10 over log root 1 plus x square. Okay. Differentiating with respect to x, we get the differential of the function y equal to something will be 3 times. The differential of the function f is equal to something will be 3 times. First times 10, second times log, and third root 1 plus x square. Okay. It means dy by dx is equal to first derivative dy dx of 10 log root 1 plus x square into second derivative log root 1 plus x square and third derivative dy dx of root 1 plus x square into fourth dy dx of 1 plus x square. First derivative 10, second derivative log, third derivative 1 plus x square root power into fourth derivative 1 plus x square 4 times, implies dy by dx is equal to, let x is equal to log root 1 plus x square. It means 10x. Derivative of 10x is equal to sec square x is equal to log root 1 plus x square into second derivative log x. Let x is equal to root 1 plus x square log x. Log x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, into 1 plus x square root, it means 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 0, derivative of 2x x square 2x. Okay, 2 cancel out, is equal to x into sec square log root 1 plus x square upon root 1 plus x square into root 1 plus x square. Root cancel out, it means 1 plus x square dy by dx. Okay, that is the answer. We will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.